gonna come off on our pads. Not a big deal, paint's gonna come off no matter what. But the Comet Wash just does this. It gets everything off there. It'll clean this chrome. It's gonna clean that glass. It's gonna have this thing absolutely ready to start buffing on. And then when we go to start buffing on it, we'll still take paint off, but we won't take all the dead chalky stuff off. We'll just get kind of the underlying base. And think about it, look at this car. Is there anything we can do to hurt it? It's so bad. What I like to do is every time I'm working or walking through a process, I want each step to make the car look better and better and better. I don't want to do a process and then do another one and go, oh, now it looks a little bit worse. So that's called working backwards. You're just going to dump some of this on. You don't want it everywhere. Start scrubbing. I'm removing 20 or 30 decades of oxidation. Boom. We're already getting down to clean red paint again. And go. Just to point out, this is only for old single stage paint. Okay, that looks good. This car in and go. Okay. It's really easy for me to sand and primer and do these nice big flat areas. This is intricate, okay? And then run this from the center out. So it's called the 10 at 10 technique. And so let me ask you a question. Is this paint in good shape or bad shape? It's in bad shape, so I'm pushing hard. I'm engaging the abrasives with the paint. Don't let me move you. Bring it in close to your body. Now don't let me move you. See the difference? Beautiful. I'm gonna put a little product right there for you. There you go. Look like this, instead of like that. It's easier. That's how you would do a boat. That's how you do the side of the car. But I'm gonna always buff here and move out. Buff here and move out. When you're doing your test spot, you want to underdo the amount of passes you do and then inspect. And what I do is I want to take and look at it visually, then take my hands and feel it. And the reason you want to do that is because a lot of times your hand will feel something pokey and sharp in there that your eyes didn't see. It rotates this way. Rich was asking me, what's the play time? Is this friendly for newbies? This is very friendly.